পরে বাইরে দুই ঘন্টা পরে সে কইছে বাইরে
কে
এই যে লোক
It's actually better if you park over there.
no, last night we say like I we just going on here, so they park here.
Well, we can't really say that.
Sorry?
You can't really say that.
Yeah, but we say like
No, no, Baba, no, no, no. Okay, 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 okay. Baba, no, no, acho, acho.
Yeah, he parked there first. Yeah, last night he said that. Okay.
Abu, abu, abu ko yun.
Yes, as far as I know, but he said he and Sammy can play and person plays and person preference area or something like that. So I don't know how that.
which one is cat?
Usually they park when the space is empty. And as far as I know, it's no place so you can use it. And then everyone has their garage instead.
ভাবি আপনারা কে কে নিজের কাছে খারাপ লাগতেছে দুধ
আমরা তো জাগবো।
আপনারা জানেন আপনারা জানেন আপনারা জানেন আমরা বন্ধ করেন 11